focus. Next, foundations within foundations. Calves, often neglected, absolutely essential. Standing hits gastrocnemius, seated emphasizes soleus. You need both. Commit to full range, deep stretch to a high peak, controlled tempo, no momentum, all muscle. Train them often with volume, chase the burn. Good morning. Pure hinge for hamstrings, glutes, erectors. Push hips back, keep the spine rigid. Depth limited by hamstring flexibility. Pause at stretch, then power hips forward, squeeze to finish. Start light, add slowly, emphasize the lowering phase. Kettlebell swing, ballistic hip hinge, not a squat and front raise. Hips do the work. Arms guide, brace at the top like a standing plank. Power sets of 10 to 15 or intervals for conditioning. Sumo deadlift, wide stance, upright torso, hands inside. Adductors light up with glutes and hamstrings. Open the hips. Create a wedge, push the world away, keep the bar close, finish tall with full hip extension. Use low reps for maximal strength. T3 to 5, rest generously. Walking lunges, perpetual motion of unilateral strength and endurance. Front knee over ankle, back knee inches off floor, peak tension, then drive. Drive through the heel and flow into the next step. No pause. Cover distance or count quality reps. Stay seamless and stable. Great job today. If this helped you build lower body strength, please like and subscribe. Your support keeps the workouts coming. Which lower body exercise is your favorite? Squats, lunges, deadlifts, or hip thrusts? Tell me below.